Welcome to Krixik. In this example video, we'll review how to easily and cost-efficiently set up a process to transcribe audio files and then translate the transcripts into a different human language by using a multi-module Krixik pipeline. For context, this pipeline can facilitate multilingual interactions and information access across language barriers. It can be applied in international business meetings, educational tasks, travel assistance, and in the general improvement of communication between individuals who speak different languages, among other possibilities. Let's begin. After you install Krixik and initialize your session, your first step will be to assemble your pipeline. You do this with the create pipeline method. The create pipeline method takes two mandatory arguments, name and module chain. Name is the pipeline's unique identifier, so set it wisely. Module chain specifies the sequence of modules you want in the pipeline. In this case, you simply need a transcribe module followed by a translate module. Your pipeline is now ready for file processing. You can test it with this audio of a gentleman speaking about the great country of Colombia. In this example, you'll transcribe and then translate with the module's default models. As of this recording, those models are respectively Whisper Tiny and Opus MT-EN-ES, both of which are quite popular. And, conveniently, the default translation module translates from English, which is the language of the audio file. That said, be sure to check our documentation because the default models may change, or simply sign up for our newsletter or follow us on social media and we'll let you know. Since these are the defaults, they don't need to be specified. To process the file, invoke the process method on the pipeline you created. The process method takes one mandatory argument, which is local file path. This is a basic file path indicating where the file you wish to process is stored in your local drive. The other arguments here are optional and all have default values if not specified. For example, local save directory indicates where in your local drive you want output saved, and expire time specifies how long process data should be kept on the Krixik system before being deleted. There are other optional arguments beside these. With the file now processed, you can print the output of the process. Here it is, a Spanish translation of the original audio's transcript. You may want to experiment to see what model combination works best for you, because non-default models are great alternatives as well, and also whether there are any parameters you wish to set, or if you like to complement this module pair with an additional module of another sort. Fortunately, experimenting with Krixik is a breeze. Making a new pipeline or trying different models only takes a single line of code. Is there a model or function you'd like to use in a Krixik pipeline like this one but that isn't currently available? Let us know via GitHub, X, or email. We're always looking to add more great models and functions to our modules. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Krixik.